Oh my gosh, today guys, there's a huge thunderstorm. Oh. Oh. This is in Canada, in Alberta. It's going like really funny. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is crazy. My phone's getting wet. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna stand with you! Oh my gosh! My hair's getting staticky, so. Oh my gosh! What was that? Okay. I'm always scared if my hair's staticky, then I get shot. Oh! It's like right in front of me. It's creepy. Oh! What's going on? Oh! Isn't this crazy? Oh! My phone's soaking. Oh boy. What? Oh. I think that's the end of today's video.